Nestled in the hills of Ocho Rios is the alluring Konoko Falls. You guys need to check it out. We were there recently and we had an awesome time.
When you come here at Konoko Falls Park, you can expect a wide variety of things. We have a garden tour, we have a magnificent lookout point, and then you end things by the bar and grill. We open 7 days a week, for 8 hours a day, from 8:30 to 4:30. Our clientele is international and local. Basically, anyone can come here and genuinely have a wonderful time. Additionally, besides the waterfall, what we have here is that we have endemic animals that you'll find nowhere else in the world. But Jamaica, we also have a museum that we give you a brief history of Jamaica. At our bar and grill, you get an authentic taste of the actual Jamaican jerk chicken. Anxiously anticipating your arrival here at Konoko Falls Park, we open 7 days a week. Our opening hours are actually 8:30 to 4:30. Come whenever you feel like. Hit us up on social media, Instagram, Konoko Falls Park.
Who was hot in 2016? Let's hear from the public.
Oh, the songs. Oh Lord. I mean, it's you could name the usual suspects, the Alkalines, the Vibe Cartels. All of them have big songs, from Fibre to Black and Delete to you have a new song now. Alkaline have so much songs, Cartel have so much songs. It's hard to say which one. I think one of the standout songs, I think from a sheer party point of view, is a song by Conscience, Broke Off Your Back. That song is massive. I think Charlie Black's, globally, as well as that same Conscience song, those songs, that Charlie Black song has been out for maybe 2 years and it's doing major damage. But here in Jamaica, I think that Conscience song is particularly special amongst the ladies. I mean, a lot of other honorary mentions. Idonia have the Pile Up Rhythm song. The gen of them get girl easy, take that quick. A whole part of that song.
For you, who was DJ of the year?
Cartel.
Song of the year?
Fibre.
Female artist of the year?
Shenseea.
Why Shenseea?
Cause she a go on with that thing right now. And she make the girl them a bubble a road. Hard. You see, where she gonna do a combination with Cartel. Where say, you just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what they doing with your body. You see it? So, she get it for the year.
Female artist?
Spice, you know, say, she ever hot. You hear that? You wicked. I love that girl, man. I have record that girl one day in life, soon. Indicator. She wicked, man. I tell you about it, man. Spice bad.
So, which song rocket for you this year? Song of the year 2016?
Boy, I tell you, it's a Mercy. Cartel Mercy, wicked. Cartel Mercy are the sickest thing.
The song Vibes Cartel really good. Yeah, man. That you see, that is a different type of tune, and you see the video Connect feed. Yo, I got some say still in a remotion, sip maps, main focus. I don't know.
Female artist for the year. Well, me I say Spice go on good so far. You know, she have the dance, some of the women them participate, and it connect. Come.
Song of the year.
Song of the year. One already. After all.
DJ of the year now. What me that say? I don't know. Vibes Cartel. Yeah, I don't know.
On the female side, who you say?
Spice. Him counterpart, you know. Yeah.
Song of the year, no, a tricky one, but no big song of the year. Which song rock it for you?
Cartel. Rich friend, from Billy. Rich friend.
DJ of the year for you?
Yeah, you know, say a teacher, man, a one done, man. Cartel, straight. Yeah, man. I run the place, man, and there's nobody else can do it like him. A teacher.
On the female side, who you say?
Well, a Spice, you know, cause she do things. She make big moves. You see me, somewhere that's a Spice.
Song of the year for you?
Really out. By Vibes Cartel, cause you don't know, be a really out with power with Highway, Kang, burn them up.
Boy, without no doubt, for 2016, we'd have to get to Alkaline, cause him doing for them. Produce throughout the whole year.
Female artist of the year?
Boy, the female category kind of stay away, I don't know. The female part kind of stay away, I don't know. You have Spice, I do I think, but you have one girl from Portmore. I don't want to call her by a real name, I try to remember Starface. You have Starface, I do I think, you have Spice. It's kind of sticky. Song of the year 2016. In between, it's the Mavada tune. We don't know with you, Progress, and the Alkaline tune. After all, one out of the two of them. Anyway you play them, worldwide. I'm not talking about Jamaica, I'm talking about worldwide.
We head over to St Marteen for the Caribbean video and we roll out the Magnum Top 10 charts. We'll be right back.
What to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice.
Uh-oh.
Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.
Secure is the key to cash for life.
October 14th to January 19th. Buy one of 4 specially marked cues, peel the back of the label, text the code to 444-7867 and keep your cue for a chance to be a millionaire. Keep your cue. We one of over 35,000 instant winners of cash or phone credit, or to be one of 2 grand prize winners to win $10 million for life.
Secure is the key to cash for life. My lifestyle rich.